Are dark circles, fine lines, or tired-looking eyes making you look older than you feel? If you're searching for an affordable, dermatologist-approved eye cream that actually works, you're in the right place. Today, I'm giving you a full breakdown of the CeraVe Skin Renewing Eye Cream, its key ingredients, pros and cons, how to use it, and whether it's the right fit for your skincare routine. If you've been thinking about trying this product, make sure you watch until the end for my final verdict. CeraVe Skin Renewing Eye Cream is an anti-aging eye cream formulated to reduce the appearance of fine lines, wrinkles, puffiness, and dark circles while providing deep hydration. Developed with dermatologists, this fragrance-free, non-comedogenic formula is enriched with ceramides, peptides, niacinamide, and hyaluronic acid to support the skin's barrier and improve overall skin texture around the delicate eye area. Key ingredients and benefits. 1. Peptides. Stimulate collagen production to improve skin elasticity. Help reduce fine lines and wrinkles around the eyes. 2. Hyaluronic acid. Attracts and retains moisture, plumping the skin. Provides intense hydration, preventing dryness. 3. Niacinamide, vitamin B3. Soothes the skin and reduces inflammation. Brightens dark circles and evens out skin tone. 4. Ceramides. Strengthen the skin's natural barrier. Lock in moisture to prevent dryness and irritation. 5. MVE technology, multivesicular emulsion technology. Ensures slow-release hydration throughout the day for long-lasting moisture. Pros and cons. Pros. Deep hydration. The hyaluronic acid and ceramides work together to keep the under-eye area moisturized for hours. Gentle formula, fragrance-free, non-irritating, and suitable for sensitive skin. Non-greasy and fast-absorbing, lightweight texture that doesn't leave a heavy or sticky residue. Improves skin texture, helps smooth fine lines and wrinkles over time. Brightens dark circles. Niacinamide helps reduce the appearance of discoloration. Affordable. Compared to high-end eye creams, CeraVe offers effective results at a reasonable price. Dermatologist approved. Formulated with dermatologists for safety and efficacy. Cons. Mild results on deep wrinkles. While effective for fine lines, it may not be strong enough for deep wrinkles. No instant brightening effect. Works gradually, so those looking for an immediate brightening effect might be disappointed. Not a heavy-duty anti-aging cream. Doesn't contain retinol or caffeine, which are common in some stronger anti-aging eye creams. May not drastically reduce puffiness. While hydrating, it lacks powerful depuffing ingredients like caffeine. How and when to use it. How to apply. Cleanse your face. Wash your face with a gentle cleanser to remove dirt and oil. Apply a pea-sized amount. Use your ring finger to dab a small amount under the eyes. This finger applies the least pressure, reducing tugging on delicate skin. Gently pat, don't rub. Tap the product into the skin using a light patting motion until absorbed. Follow with moisturizer and sunscreen. In the morning, always follow with a broad-spectrum SPF to protect the skin. When to use. Morning and night, best used twice daily for optimal hydration and anti-aging benefits. Before makeup, provides a smooth base for concealer, preventing it from settling into fine lines. Who should use it? People with dry or sensitive skin who need a gentle, hydrating eye cream. Those in their 20s or 30s looking for preventative anti-aging care. Anyone with mild dark circles or fine lines seeking gradual improvement. Who might need a different product? Individuals with severe wrinkles or deep crow's feet may prefer an eye cream with retinol or stronger peptides. Those with severe puffiness may benefit from an eye cream with caffeine. If you need instant brightening, a tinted eye cream or one with optical diffusers may work better. Final verdict. CeraVe Skin Renewing Eye Cream is an excellent choice for hydration, barrier repair, and mild anti-aging benefits. While it won't deliver dramatic instant results for deep wrinkles or severe dark circles, it's a solid everyday eye cream that's affordable, effective, and dermatologist-approved. Best for hydration, mild anti-aging, and sensitive skin. Not ideal for deep wrinkles or severe puffiness. Now, I want to hear from you. Have you tried this eye cream? What's your go-to product for under-eye care? Let me know in the comments below. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. It really helps my channel. And if you're new here, make sure to subscribe for more in-depth skincare reviews and tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!